In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable CPR indicator in TradingView. Before we start, a quick note on what you're enabling. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range, a popular tool traders use to gauge potential support and resistance zones and to understand market bias for the day. It typically shows a central band with upper and lower ranges, giving you a quick visual of where price might find balance or react. With your chart open in TradingView, look toward the top of the platform and find the Indicators button. It's usually near the upper left area and may be labeled Indicators or shown with an FX icon. Clicking this opens the Indicators window, which is where all the technical tools live. This is your hub for anything you want to overlay on the chart. In the search bar inside that window, type CPR. Keep it simple, just the 3 letters. As soon as you type, you'll see results populate below. You may find options labeled with Central Pivot Range, and you'll often see variations that include extra features like CPR with additional pivot levels or visual enhancements. The key is to pick the one that suits your needs without overcomplicating your screen. From here, you can choose between a default option, if one appears in your list, or a community-created indicator. Community scripts are built by TradingView users and often come with descriptions that explain what's included. If you're browsing community versions, take a moment to glance at the title and snippet to understand what you're getting. Some focus on clarity and minimalism, others add more bands or labels for deeper analysis. Choose the one that aligns with how you like your chart to look. Once you've decided, simply click the indicator you want. The moment you click, it will appear right on your chart. No extra confirmation needed. You should see a central band with upper and lower ranges overlaid on your current instrument and time frame. That's your CPR. Ready to use. If the lines feel dense or you need them to stand out more clearly, you can always adjust things later, like colors or line thickness, through the indicator settings. For now, the important part is that it's visible and correctly applied, so you can start reading the central range and its surrounding levels at a glance. And there you go. Your CPR indicator is enabled in TradingView. That's all you need to get it onto your chart quickly and start incorporating it into your analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.